So how'd you hear about this spot?
Her.
Oh, so it's her fault.
These aren't my people, Roland.
It's her people.
These aren't my people.
I'm afraid. Hey, look at me, I found nice.
Yeah, you gotta see what I had to do to get it.
Talk to Julio.
This is where Forrest Gump likes to ride.
We're here today at the world's finest motocross track. Here you have Rolando Garcia and Real Hollywood showing the world what's up. Here they come. Oh. And I don't believe it. I believe that's Forrest Gump on the track. Forrest Gump is here today. And these guys are just going way too fast for the camera. I can't even keep up.
We got Forrest Gump in the back spot here.
Get up there.
He's gonna take over the microphone. Forrest, why don't you come right up here, sir?
Yeah.
Here.
Hi, my name is Forrest Gump. People call me Forrest Gump. Just want to thank y'all for coming out on this fine day, on this fine track. Have a nice day. That's all I got to say about that.
Yeah. That's Gump.
Those look like comfortable shoes. I wish I had shoes like that. I bet you could stand in shoes like that all day and not feel a thing. I've worn lots of shoes. I bet if I was thinking real hard, I could do a not very push pair. Almost said they take me anywhere. It was my magic shoes.
Give a bow, man. Give a bow.
Stop, that's right there. Yeah, Forrest Gump. Here, what's that
Okay guys, we'd like all A and B riders come to the gate please. All A and B riders. Thank you.